Hello.
Hi!
What do you do every day? I study every day. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you wake up early? Yes, I do. Do you like mornings? Yes, I like mornings. What do you do after you wake up? I wash my face. Do you brush your teeth? Yes, I do. Do you take a shower? Yes, every day. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread and eggs. Do you drink tea or coffee? I drink tea. Do you help your family in the morning? Yes, I help. Do you go to school or work? I go to school. What time do you go? At 8 a.m. How do you go to school? By bus. Is it far? No, it is near. Do you like your school? Yes, I do. What do you study? I study English. Is English important? Yes, it is. Do you speak English in class? Yes, a little. Do you have friends there? Yes, many friends. Are they friendly? Yes, they are. What do you do at school? I learn and read. Do you write in class? Yes, I do. Do you listen to the teacher? Yes, always. Do you ask questions? Sometimes. Do you like homework? Not always. When do you come home? In the afternoon. What do you do after school? I rest. Do you watch TV? Yes, sometimes. Do you use your phone? Yes, I do. Do you eat lunch at home? Yes, I do. What do you eat for lunch? Rice and meat. Do you cook? A little. Do you clean the house? Yes, I help. Do you wash dishes? Yes. Do you like cleaning? Not much. What do you do in the evening? I study again. Do you read books? Yes, I like reading. What kind of books? Easy books. Do you listen to music? Yes, every day. What music do you like? Pop music. Do you watch videos? Yes. What videos do you watch? English videos. Do you practice English daily? Yes. Is it difficult? No, it is easy. Do you speak with friends? Yes. What do you talk about? Daily life. Do you play games? Sometimes. Do you like games? Yes, I do. Do you go outside? Where do you go? To the park. Do you walk? Yes. Do you like fresh air? Yes, very much. Do you have dinner with family? Yes. What time is dinner? At 7 p.m. What do you eat for dinner? Soup and bread. Do you talk at dinner? Yes. Do you laugh a lot? Yes. Do you help after dinner? Yes. What do you do at night? I relax. Do you watch movies? Sometimes. What movies do you like? Funny movies. Do you check your phone? Yes. Do you chat with friends? Yes, I do. Do you like social media? Yes. Do you study at night? A little. Do you repeat new words? Yes. Do you like learning? Yes, I love it. Are you tired in the evening? Sometimes. What time do you sleep? At 10 p.m. Do you sleep early? Yes. Do you sleep well? Yes, very well. Do you dream? Sometimes. Do you like your day? Yes. Is your routine busy? A little. Is your life interesting? Yes, it is. Do you smile every day? Yes. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Do you like your routine? Yes. Do you want to change something? Maybe. Do you want more free time? Yes. Do you like weekends? Yes, I love weekends. What do you do on weekends? I rest. Do you wake up late? Yes. Do you travel sometimes? Sometimes. Do you visit friends? Yes. Do you help parents? Yes, always. Do you cook on weekends? A little. Do you watch TV more? Yes. Do you go shopping? Sometimes. Do you like shopping? Yes. Do you enjoy your life? Yes, very much. Do you want to learn more English? Yes. Do you practice speaking? Yes, every day. Is English your goal? Yes. Are you improving? Yes. Are you proud of yourself? Yes. Do you try your best? Yes, always. Are you ready for tomorrow? Yes. Are you leaving now? Yes, I am.